Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to change the glow settings in Heroes of Might and Magic Olden Era. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From here, navigate to Readability. Then scroll down to the glow section. Here you can enable or disable the map square on hover. You can enable or disable the object interaction squares. You can enable or disable the always highlight interactables. You can, if selected, those two turn off, of course, but you can individually customize them with Interactables Alt mode and hover, which you can turn on or off. Now, you can also customize the glow color for specific objects and things in the game, I guess. For interactables, for visited objects, for neutral squads, for your heroes, and for enemy heroes. There are a few colors to choose from. It isn't a normal color picker, but there are quite a few colors supported. For example, I want to change this to a more orange color, I think. For visited objects, I will go with this darker gray. For neutral squads, I will go with white. For my heroes, I will go with blue, and we'll stick with red for the enemy heroes. Of course, customize those however you wish. And after you are done customizing, hit accept to save the changes. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, comment and like the video.